Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Here's some rooster action for you guys.
His beak is so sharp!
Stay still, I'm trying to help!
It looks like we're in the jungle right now. We are in the jungle. We are in the jungle. Live in the trenches from the jungle. It was just raining like crazy earlier, but we're about to do this waterfall hike. And the waterfall should be super nice. I'm bringing the GoPro on this one. I don't want to get my real camera wet, but let's do a quick little on feet check right here. We got the brand new shoes. They're not gonna look like this after. Your shoes, sir. Not gonna look like that after. Your shoes. Gonna be ruined. We're doing pretty good so far. So last night we worked out. This morning we worked out. Now we're about to hit this hike, and the day is just getting started. We got plenty of adventures left for the rest of the day, but first things first, waterfall hike. Jungle vibes for Big T. Damn, he's wearing a shell necklace from yesterday. Okay. It's actually nicer when it rains. It feels more fresh. You're not wearing Crocs this time. Hey. Recommended. Last time I made him do it in Crocs. I was like, you'll be good.
You didn't make me, you lied to me.
Okay, I lied to him. We're good today. We got our shoes. Feeling fresh, feeling good. Ooh, we're about to walk through a shipping container. Wow. Stand right in the middle. Yes, sir. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Bam. One more. Holy shit. Dog. Relax. Whoa. I think Tony's enjoying this. Here comes more of the rain. You guys can probably tell, right? Yeah. It's coming down. It feels good though.
It does. I just can't. I'm getting.
You need a hat.
Destroyed.
You need a hat.
I know. I messed up.
It's better with the hat. We're just enjoying ourselves here. Big jungle vibes. All right, we made it. I'm pretty sure Tony's gonna go closer. You wanna go closer, huh?
Oh yeah.
And down there. That's the trail. All right, we made it. Wow. Tony's about to put on a whole show for everybody. Look at that. All those people. Tony's the only one going in the water right now. Let's go, baby.
I'm gonna try that shit, man. Oh, it's so fucking cool.
Another day, another poke bowl from the land of food. Foodland. We're out here at the lagoon. Ah, big chillin'. How's your poke bowl, sir?
Delicious.
How's your poke bowl, sir?
It's good. Great job.
I'm ready for dinner tonight, but this is gonna keep us full until then. We also got the barbecue twisties. Can't go wrong with that. We're about to get in the water. Usually the GoPro audio gets a little choppy when it gets wet, so let's cut to the B-roll. Dinner time. We're at Gayukaku. Make sure you guys check this spot out. Super good, all you can eat. I think it's, yeah, Japanese barbecue. Super delicious. Let's see. Almost at 1,500 calories burned today. So we figured, you know what? Let's end the night off with a little bit of ice cream. A little soft serve won't hurt. So we're gonna walk to the soft serve spot right now. We got this peach mango pie. Oh my. Let's do a quick taste test, guys. Quick taste. All right, you guys, just got back from the gym. I'm gonna call it a day. Pretty tired. It's 9:30. Burned freaking 1,700 calories today. Oh my. I'm exhausted. Catch you guys in the next vlog. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
I'm tired. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
The next day.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. We're gonna start today's vlog off with a little bit of an adventure. We're about to do this parasailing thing, and I haven't been parasailing since I was a kid. It's been a minute, so we're about to be 800 feet up in the air.
Can't wait.
Yeah, you like that?
I love the air.
Are you ready, Tony?
Yeah.
Tony's ready. I don't know. This guy's a little bit scared of heights. I mean, you told Tony that the plane was gonna crash earlier, so it's only right to tell you that we might fall off of this 800 foot.
You like that, Josh? I kind of hope we do fall off, actually. Vlog content. Or a shark catches us out there. That'd be crazy.
So, again, parasailing. There's a couple people out there. It's a bit far. It's hard to see. But if you guys don't know what it is, basically, you go on a boat, they put you on this parachute looking thing, and they release you, and you're just flying behind the boat. And you're gonna be up in the sky. Whatever happens, happens. Sometimes they dip you, sometimes they don't. I don't think they're gonna dip us, but hey, we're gonna see what happens. We're just gonna go with the flow. And if we don't make it, this vlog is never going up.
No, you gotta be like, whoever finds this, please upload it.
We got the floaty technology right here. So somebody, if you find this, upload it. Thank you. So we're all checked in and we're about to get on our boat right now.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, you like that?
Oh, I can't wait.
Just kidding, guys, just kidding. Hawaiian parasail. So we're over here at this loading dock. I think we're going in a big group like that too. About to make some friends. The weather's been a little gloomy here and there. It does break up. Gets a little bit more sunny during the day. But right now, it's a little cloudy outside. Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I don't know, but we'll see how it goes.
So I asked her if death was a possibility. She didn't say yes or no.
She kind of avoided it.
I also asked if that thing we signed was a death waiver. Also didn't answer. She just said if it gets dangerous, they'll cancel. I'm like, sick.
No, may cancel.
May cancel.
It's not 100%.
Oh, and speaking of May, May the 4th be with you guys. Yeah. Today's May 4th.
This guy.
Happy Star Wars Day.
Love Star Wars.
Also, we picked a great day because there's like really big waves, and apparently it's a caution.
Those fish are lit right there. Don't know how well you guys could see it, but you guys see all those little fishies? Can you see it? Can you see it? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Super clear over here. Super shallow. Bunch of fishies. But hella rocky. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but that's about to be us in like 10-15 minutes. It's like somewhere in the distance. Maybe you guys can see it, maybe not. Baby, let's go. Yo, look at this. Oh yeah, big boy chilling. Sheesh.
Oh my god, a shark! No.
Oh my god.
They're gonna that's why.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hey guys.
Holy shit. Yo. I was like, I'm not down to go in that water, dog.
I was ready. That shit might be hella cool.
Cheers.
You look down? Oh, holy.
I feel like we're not even that high though.
Now we are.
Hey, I'm gonna pull the red thing that they told us not to pull.
Huh?
I'm gonna pull it.
You want pussy? No huevos?
Hey. Yeah, I don't know how they're gonna put us in.
Well, we have life rafts, so we're gonna hit the water.
No, we ain't gonna hit the. We're not hitting the water.
Slowly hit the water. Oh
yeah. I think they're reeling us in right now.
This one.
Yeah.
It's cold. Yeah, we've been hitting this water, dude.
We ain't hitting this water.
Go straight to the
We ain't hitting this water.
Told you
we're hitting. A fucking shark! Oh my god, a fucking shark! Oh shit!
ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free.
Did you see the shark behind you? That's crazy. Oh, okay. So right now it's just Tony and I about to do this pillbox hike. This is Tony's first time on this side of the island also, so I figured this should be a cool hike for him. Josh is chilling at the beach doing his thing. We're gonna link up with him after. We got our drinks, got some coconut water, and Tony got some Zoa. But yeah, we're gonna kill this hike real quick. This hike is always super dope, so if you guys want to check it out, Lanakai pillbox has some really nice views. All right, y'all, we are now done with the hike. Took about 25 minutes to get up and then about 25 minutes to get down. So again, nothing too crazy as long as you take your time, don't slip. But now we're over at the beach and it looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Truly living the life, man.
A few moments later.
All right. It's dinner time now. Everybody is kind of tired from today's festivities. We got, you know, a bunch of sun, got the rays on us, went to the beach, but now it's time to eat. So we're getting some sushi. I think this spot is called Ginza. We've had it a couple times before. It's pretty good, so hopefully there's no wait. Celebrating life tonight. Strawberry nigori. So fire. About to pop this bottle open. Let's celebrate. Celebrate. We didn't die today.
We didn't die today.
We did not die today.
Yeah. Peace, love, and prosperity.
Y'all, the food just landed. Tried something new today. I got the omakase plate. Josh got the salmon lover, and Tony is messing up both of his rolls. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, to end off the day, we are at the gym once again. 2 workouts today, plus the hikes and all that good stuff. We're at about 1,500 calories right now. It's 9:30 almost. So we're gonna get this quick little chest workout in, chest and triceps today. And then we're gonna call it a night. So I'll check in with you guys after this. And just like that, guys, I am going to call it a night. Your boy put in that work. You good?
Yeah.
Beautiful. And just like that, today is done. I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this vlog. I know it was random. Let me know if you've been parasailing before. If not, Would you go? See you guys very soon for the next video. We're out. Peace. May the 4th be with you. Bye.